everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that S is equals to RV over 3V minus 1. For part A, find S when R equals to 100 and V equals to negative 13. So this is quite straightforward. I will just simply require to substitute R as 100 and V as negative 13. So you will see me writing this down. 100 times negative 13 divided by 3 times negative 13 minus 1. And this will give me a value of 32.5 or 32.5. Either is fine, okay? Part B. Now we are required to express V in terms of X, or R and S. So let's do some algebraic manipulation then, alright? So starting with S is equals to R times V over 3V minus 1. At this point, I do like to do this, and I'm going to multiply 3V minus 1 on both sides so that you can then see that there will no longer be a denominator. Okay? And after which, I'm going to expand and simplify. 3SV minus S times 1 is S equals to R times V, and they want V to be the subject. So all the terms with V on one side, all the terms without V on the other side of the equation, and you will then see the next step as such. I minus RV on both sides. I plus S on one side. And after which, you would then see that once we've done this, V is actually the common factor. And I can take out V as the common factor. I'm left with 3S minus R still equals to S. And I'm going to divide both sides by 3S minus R to give me my final answer. S over 3S minus R. We have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.